Alright, there we go. Okay, I'm down working on the furnace. Okay. Let's see. Okay, so this is what it's doing. I heard a click. And there goes the exhaust fan. I have the switch duct tape so I can test stuff with the panels off. There's a click, and the igniter's lighting up. The control board has a steady red light. Oh, there's a click. Fire it up. Oh, it just shut off. So you have temp sensor here, temp sensor here, and this is the limit switch. That's the flame sensor. I'm thinking that it is not seeing the flame sensor. So I'm going to pull it out. You're supposed to use steel wool to clean it. Do not touch the metal part. You can hold the ceramic part, but don't touch the metal part. And you're supposed to use very fine steel wool, which I couldn't find at the store. So, somewhere, I bought a scrub pad for delicate surfaces. So I am going to try and clean that. I'm going to turn this off before it goes again. I don't have my camera stand down here, so I am going to pull that out and clean it and see if this thing starts working. So I'll be back. Okay, there she is. Add a little 1/4-inch screw holding her in. It just has the one wire. And don't want to touch, you can touch the terminal and the ceramic, don't touch the rod. And you can see there's something on there. So I am going to clean it with that. And we'll see if that fixes the problem. I should say this is a Goodman. This is a Goodman furnace. I bought it new in 2015. So she's been pretty decent freaking unit. We'll see. Okay, she's back in there. It's not easy getting that thing in and out with trying not to scratch it. It's kind of, that stuff's all in the freaking way. So make sure I didn't knock any. Got it good. Didn't knock any other wires off. Okay, guys. Let's see if it works. You can test it. From what I've seen, it's the flame, it puts out amperage, milliamps, like 1 to 5 milliamps. So the one that I watched, he got about 4 milliamps out of his. To test for milliamps, you got to pull that wire off the bottom of it, put your meter in between the two, and when it fires up, it should go up to about 4 milliamps, it looks like. Only thing is, I don't know if my fuse for my milliamps is any good in my meter yet. So I decided just to figure out how to clean it and see if it fix it. There goes the igniter. Here comes the gas. Nope. Didn't fix it. Damn it all. I still think it's a frickin' thing. I'm gonna have to see if my meter's milliamp fuse is any good. Or just order one of those. Today was the last cold day. I'll get a new one in and put it in and see what happens. The only other frickin' problem is that board I just put into this summer trying to fix the air conditioning. So that board has never ran heat. So that's the other thing I could do is put in the board that used to run the heat but not the air conditioning. I might try that. Well, I went in my van, got my meter out. I messed up the last video. It showed me testing the fuses. The 10 amp fuse is still good, but the 2 amp for the milliamps is blown. When you're in the auto world and you're testing for voltage draw, it only takes a freaking little oops and you blow that fuse, and they're crazy expensive. So I also have a fluke meter, but that's at work, so I'll have to see if that fuse is still good, or get another fuse for this one. Tomorrow's another day. Good thing it's warming up from here. Hey, Bonbon. How's the Bonbon? Yeah. Yep. So I went on eBay. Those sensors are, it's $6 for 2 of them. So I ordered them. I'm still gonna get my meter from work and hope that fuse is good. Otherwise, it looks like it's just a 2 amp fuse. So I'll either get mine working or will work, and I'll test it out tomorrow night. But I wasn't taking a chance. They're $6 for 2 of them. So always good to have a spare. Anyways, I'll let you know how it goes.